Hot news, Ramaphosa's powerful words for Caster Semenya. Cape Town, South African President Cyril Ramaphosa has sent a warm, heartfelt message of support to Caster Semenya. Semenya, the two-time 800 meters Olympic champions, is this week appealing a decision from the IAAF at the Court for Arbitration of Sport cause in Switzerland. The proposed IAAF ruling would see Semenya forced to lower her natural testosterone levels if she wants to keep competing in women's athletics. Her appeal at the cause is a groundbreaking moment in the history of sport, and Semenya has received overwhelming support from South Africans throughout the week. On Tuesday, Ramaphosa added his voice to the conversation. Makati. Champion. Beacon of hope. My daughter. This is only to remind you of your greatness, because you constantly remind us that nothing beats the enduring power of the human spirit, he tweeted. You may run alone on the track, but know now that you run with 57 million and more. Semenya was entering the third day of her appeal on Wednesday. Yeah.